A few years ago, well, actually, let's say it was, what year was that? It was 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I got a gift card from people at my job. They were celebrating me in a milestone that I had reached. So they gifted me a gift card to the Cheesecake Factory. I love cheesecake. They know that, and that's why they gifted it to me. Now, this particular gift card does not expire. So I held on to it. And a year after that, I think it was last year, I'm in the restaurant, I'm eating, I'm thinking, oh, I'm going to use my gift card. Well, honey, it did not come up. Now, I had taken a picture of it and I brought it on my phone, but it just wouldn't come up. So I'm thinking it's my fault because maybe me taking a picture of it, it didn't allow the link to work or whatever. I thought it was user error. So I just chalked it up. I said, okay, well, I'll just get it later. I'll just pay for this. We don't ditch and dine. So I just paid it and, just said, okay, next time I'll just make sure I bring the actual email that it was sent through. Okay, so fast forward to a couple months ago. Okay, so it's a year after the fact, 2 years after I had gotten the gift card. And so this time I'm prepared. I got the link of the email, this and that, so forth and so on. But something told me, click on the link before you go. So I'm in the actual email that it came through or that it's in. And so I clicked the link and it opened another window and it said some type of error message like this link is no longer valid or something like that. I said, let me look at all the fine print. And the fine print, it did not say anything. In fact, it said that it was not expired. You can use it at any time. Protect this as if it were money and yada, yada, yada. Usual spiel as far as gift cards are concerned. So I tried the link again. I tried it again. I tried it through a different browser. I said, well, maybe it's the browser. Maybe I should use this. And honey, it did not work. So I said, you know what? I guess I'm not going anywhere tonight. And I will just think of something else. And so that next day, I want to say that now this was through a third party. So I had to contact the third party because it's listed in the email. I said, hey, there's something wrong with this gift card. And so they had a ticket number and they were like, okay, we're going to, we'll email you in a minute, whatever. They emailed me. They said, hey, can you provide us with more details? I said, well, yeah, this is a gift card. Here's the number to the gift card. I'm not able to use the link. Can you send me a new link? And again, this is through email, so I'm not talking to them on the phone. So when they responded back, they said, okay, we need more information. When did you buy this? I said, again, this was a gift. I did not buy the gift card. This is the amount. The link is broken. Please give me a new link. I got another response via email and they said, well, we're going to need to have the person who bought the gift card, we're going to need to speak to them. I said, how am I going to do that? This was a group gift. I don't know whose account this was through. I just need the link fixed. I said, here's a picture of the gift card, just so you know what I'm talking about. This is to me from someone else. They said, okay, we're going to escalate this to some other group. So anyway, long story short, I got another email. They said, hello, we hear that you're having issues. Saw the pictures. Yeah, we're going to need to speak to the person who bought the gift card because it is through an account with us and we cannot discuss other people's accounts with you. Please have them reach out to us. So I'm a little confused because I'm thinking it's a gift card. Why can't you just do the link, this and that, yada, yada, yada. What is going on? But I responded and I said, you know what? Okay, I'm going to try and figure it out because there's a whole group of people. I don't know who, but I will sort of ask, I guess, and I'll have them circle back. So after I responded to that email, I called Cheesecake Factory myself and whatever department it is that handles the gift cards or whatever. I left a little message, say, hey, I got a gift card. Not sure if you can help, but this is what's going on. Please give me a call if you can. The person was nice enough to call me back. She said, I'm not sure if I can help either, but hey, we can try. I gave her the information. She tried to look it up. She said, well, if it's through a third party, then I'm not going to be able to help you. You may want to go back to them. So I said, okay, well, I guess I got to ask people at work, which is kind of, tacky. So I believe that next week I asked my manager, I said, hey, remember that gift card that you guys gave me, for such and such? Do we know who purchased it? Because yada, 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 having issues, can't use it. Yeah. And she said, well, I don't know who that would be. It may be so-and-so, but they're no longer with the company. Maybe ask so-and-so, maybe they would know. So after that conversation, I said, you know what? I'm not jumping. I'm not going to do that. I'm not trying to get to anybody's account. I need this gift card, which is not connected to them, but they sold. They put the link on it or whatever it is. I need them to fix the link. So long story short, I go back to the emails and I said, listen, the person who bought this card or whatever, they no longer work for the company. I'm not able to contact them. That's kaputs. I'm going to need you guys to fix the link. So is there any other way that we can resolve this without me having to jump through any more hoops? Again, I'm trying to use the card and the link is broken. So if we can figure this out, that would be great. Now here's a cherry on the cheesecake. I said, I am willing to speak to a manager or a supervisor. Yes, I asked for the manager. Please let me know. Send. So I sent the email and I waited. And guess what? I got an email back from a totally different person. It wasn't even the person originally on, the whole email chain. And they said, hello. Here is the new link. All you have to do is put in the email that was attached to the initial gift card. Let us know how everything works out and yada, yada, yada. Thank you for your business and time, whatever. And guess what? It worked. So I had to get through quite a few people to get to the right person, which just goes to show that sometimes you do need to speak to the manager. Okay? Sometimes you need to speak to the head person in charge so that you can get things done. There's nothing wrong with asking for that. You got to get to the right person. Not everybody is qualified to give you a yes. Okay? And that's no knock to anybody else or anybody, that wasn't able to help me. But a lot of people, they may wear the uniform, they may have the name tag, they may have the assignment. Not everybody is qualified to help you. They don't have the skill or even intentions or even motivation to really help you in that situation. I could have probably just cut through all of that and just asked for the manager or the supervisor in the first place. But I didn't know all the machinations that was going on behind the scenes. And I'm thinking I'm following whatever protocol they are requiring. Come to find out, again, it was just about getting to the right person who has the right access to the right button to make things work. Sometimes you just have to cut through all of middle people and get right to the top. And even as far as getting no's or maybes, no is not enough. In certain situations, don't accept no. No. I need to speak to the manager. I need to speak to the person in charge who can really get things done. I am trying to get from point A to point B. And if you don't know how to get there, then please point me to the person who can. Your results, a lot of it really depends on who you speak to. You can speak to 10 different people and get 10 different no's, all types of ways. But it takes that one person who says, you know what? Let me see what I can do. The road to satisfaction really is determined by who you speak to. But also you have to be determined to get it too. Don't take that no. Don't take the first no. Don't take the second no. Don't take the honey. Don't take the third, fourth, or fifth. Especially if you know that this is what you are supposed to get, what you are supposed to have, what you were promised, you know what I mean? When God says yes, all the other no's don't matter. So I just wanted to come in here really quickly. You just got to know who to speak to. Don't take no. And if you need to ask for the manager, ask for the manager. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ask for the right person to help you to get things done. It all depends on who you speak to. And with that, we are going to put a button on it.